Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter using peanuts. First, select high-quality roasted peanuts, either shelled or unshelled. You'll need a robust food processor or a high-speed blender to achieve a smooth consistency. Optionally, prepare a small amount of neutral oil, a pinch of salt, and your preferred sweetener like honey or maple syrup to enhance the taste. This process is surprisingly simple and yields delicious results. If you're starting with raw peanuts, roasting them is crucial for depth of flavor. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring halfway through. This step brings out their natural oils and aroma. Once roasted, let them cool completely. This prevents the butter from becoming too oily and helps achieve a better texture.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on making delicious peanut butter, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And on another note, making peanut butter can be thirsty work. Stay hydrated anywhere with the amazing Oala water bottle. It's a fantastic product. Check the description below for a link to grab yours and discover other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the fun part, processing the peanuts. Add the cooled peanuts to your food processor. Initially, they will turn into a coarse meal, then a thick paste. Keep processing, and the natural oils will release, transforming it into a smooth, creamy butter. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl, often to ensure everything blends evenly. Once your peanut butter reaches a smooth consistency, you can customize it. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of honey, or a teaspoon of neutral oil if you prefer a thinner texture. Blend for another minute to incorporate these additions fully. Transfer your fresh peanut butter to an airtight jar. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.